If the windows you chose for the floor plan do not match your client's windows and they do not want to change them, you can choose the correct style window from Decorate, Structure, Windows, and type the correct size. Also, by positioning your mouse on the window, you can type the wall size, left and right, as measured. You can also adjust the window size from the right panel basic parameters. It is very important that you position the window correctly, as you will create the furniture later by taking into account this element. The owner told me they do not have a pantry door installed, but they would like one that matches the style and age of the house. So, I found one in Decorate Structure Doors menu. After the doors and windows are in place, you can start designing the furniture. From custom furniture, you can choose base cabinets by function and adapt their size as you need. For start, I knew that my clients want the sink to be under the window, so I started with that cabinet. Once you got the model you want, you can adjust the size by the arrows, or change the parameters from the panel on the right. You should ask your client if they prefer cabinets with drawers or simple doors. The ones with drawers are usually more expensive, but they offer easier access and a more effective storage space, as there will be no wasted space in the back. Design the upper cabinets also by function. Because I knew the position of the stove, I placed a hood cabinet above. If you know your client and going to have their furniture custom made, you can adjust the size so it fills all the gaps, so there are no unused spaces. If they will buy the furniture and the size is not perfect, you should tell them to also get a filler strip in the same finish as the furniture to fill out any gaps. Adjust the base cabinet's height to your client's height for comfortable use. Use a toe chick panel to mask the furniture legs. Once the side is done, I moved on to the opposite wall by placing the refrigerator first. The client sent me the size as they already bought it. They also mentioned that they chose one with a freezer below, so I chose a similar model. Then I measured the remaining wall length to design the furniture fit for that space. Always leave a small wall portion free of furniture if you have a corner with access to other functions, in this case a pantry. Otherwise, your clients will always bump into the corner trying to get around. I recommend taking your uppers all the way to the ceiling to increase storage space and also for cleaning purposes.